Welcome to another C# tutorial. Today we are going to learn the for each loop. This is the program from my last video. And I'm now going to do the same thing. Just to recap what we did, we made an array that I then made a for loop for to print out all the numbers in the array and then sum it up. So I'm gonna make a for each loop now to do the same thing. Now we don't need this. I'm just gonna keep what is relevant here, and then I'm gonna deactivate my for loop and see if we can get the same output with a for each loop. Now, for each is how you started, and then in this case you have an int, and now comes the variable, which inside this loop can be anything. So we're just gonna call it number. For each number in my array 2, let's just call it my array. For each number in my array, I want to do something. So let us do the console write line. And now when we enter this number here, let's see what we get. It prints out the contents of the array that way. So now you don't have an index to deal with. It is simpler. It's shockingly simple almost. It simply writes out the numbers for each of the elements of your array. And now let us see if we can sum them up. So then we still have this variable sum of array here. So let's put that into the loop as well. Sum of array, and it's not going to be incremented like this. It's going to be well, starts at 0, and then we're going to do plus equals the number, and then we can try to write out the same line as we had before with the sum of the whole thing, and see if we get the same result as before. And lo and behold, we did. It worked. And that's how you use for each loops, which are just shockingly simple. You can use them on lists and arrays and other collections. And it's just a simple, powerful tool in C#. So that's all for this time, and welcome back to another tutorial soon.